system. So this screencast is about lock mechanism for free text input. So in the exercise, it's important that people work together as a team in the practical part. And so what we like is that they discuss both answers they put into the system, and that they also write them together and they do not start working in parallel. Okay, so here we see two sides. So I logged in with different users on each side, and what I will show you now is what the system does in order to support the users in not working in parallel, and also to prevent them from accidentally overwriting their answers. So what we see here is introduction text, and then afterwards we have some inputs, and so both people see the same inputs now. And as the system is not using Ajax so far, what will happen is that we might have inconsistencies of the screens. So this user here starts answering, so the question opens here and he might start writing something, hello, and so the other user does not see it unless he reloads. Then of course he also sees the open box, and as nothing is saved yet, it's like this. And when we save here now and reload here, then we see, okay, both participants have a consistent view again. But as you've seen before, it can happen that you have these inconsistencies, and also as we have like two different screens and people may also be connected from different sites, it can happen that they are not on a synchronized view. Okay, so let's open this again, and so now we'll just go through the cases that can happen and what the system does. So okay, let's see. Okay, someone opened here. As you can see, the other labs are locked here, and so the other participant doesn't see what is open, or this window moved to the background and they don't know it anymore, and he starts opening another question now. So okay, what happens? The system says, okay, you opened another input, which is this one, and gives a warning. And as you can see, this page synchronized with the other one. So here you now see also the open input. Okay, now what we can do is we can write something, then we can save it. Okay, so now we saved it and it's here, but the other participant has not a synchronized view. So what may happen? So the other may think like, okay, so let's edit here, and sorry, wrong button, and so writing something like new stuff. Okay, so let's save here, and then the system has a problem, because first, this question is not really opened anymore, and second, it's not clear if this happened accidentally or on purpose. So what happens now if we press save is the system says you're not allowed to answer as the lock is at nothing, because nothing is locked at the moment, and the system saved the answer, gave you a hint, like your team has currently opened another question for answering, or in this case not opened any question. Please work together in formulating the answers. Okay, and what it does is it saves the new thing, and below it saves the old thing. So you didn't lose anything, but you have some effort because you have to decide what to take and to remove the comment. Okay, good. So what else could have happened? So one question could have been opened, and so okay, when we click here again, nothing happens because it's the same question, so it works consistently. So again, we write our answer. So answer 1, we press save, and okay, now it's saved. And now we notice, okay, we have something wrong open here, and okay, we can press cancel, and then okay, everything's fine. Okay, so now we can also open something here, and we can on the other side, we can walk a little further, so we can go to the next page, and okay, as we can see now, okay, everything's locked. So maybe we don't know where the right open question is, and we are not interested, so we can just press this button, and then it's taking the lock. So now this answer here is locked. So the lock is not here anymore. So if we write something new, it will, the same will happen as happened before. So answer 2. So it will know we don't have the lock. Okay. So log is at 76. So now it's saved, and it tells us, okay, everything is closed here. Okay, as you see, the page is jumping from time to time, and so if we move to the page where the open question is now, then okay, it's open, and it's directly focusing on this input here. Okay, so let's close it. We'll close it here as well. And so I just want to show you about this focusing, because on the other page we had several inputs. So yeah, if we open an input here, and then we go here to something somewhere on the same page, and we press give answer. Log is at 60, and as you can see, so are we on the same page? Oh no, I'm not on the same page, sorry. So this was the one that's 3. Oh yeah, okay. And here you see it again, it jumps directly to the answer because it's linked respectively. Okay, so what else can happen? Yeah, I think we covered all cases now. So yeah, so this is how the lock behavior works, and yeah, so it really helps supporting that students do not work in parallel and start, okay, I answer this one and I am on like 3 pages ahead, or even at the end of the lab. And so really formulating the things together is a very important learning skill you get, and an important skill you learn there. And so yeah, this is a feature to get it. Okay, have fun with the system.